Hello mga kamuret. Ay, yung buhok ko, hindi ko na napansin. Para akong sisisang. I'm still in recovery guys from my surgery. But I have this with me now. It's like a pen ha, para siyang ball pen. Pero, insulin ko to guys. I have to get my needle, I forgot. Hindi siya makikita pag hindi ko. Ito ko siya sa tiyan, dinadali. I have to wipe it with my alcohol pads. And then, I'm ready to shot myself. I'm good. There you go. Balik natin yung cover. Para kahit itapon sa garbage, hindi matutusok yung mangungulekta ng garbage. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.